If you're tired of Facebook refusing to load properly in Google Chrome, this step-by-step tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to clear out any pesky site data for Facebook, those hidden cookies and permissions, so you can get back to smooth scrolling, posting, and messaging without frustrating hiccups. Let's dive right in and fix Facebook together. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the browser where Facebook isn't loading or acting up. This step seems simple, but it's so important. Sometimes people try troubleshooting in the wrong browser by mistake, so double-check you're in Chrome. Once you have Chrome in front of you, look up at the very top right of the window for those three little dots stacked vertically. Clicking these dots opens up Chrome's main menu. Think of it like the command center for all your browser settings, the place where you can change how Chrome behaves. Go ahead and click the three dots, then select Settings from the menu. This might take you to a new tab where all your customization options live. Next up, in the sidebar on the left, you're looking for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome stores all options related to your data, site permissions, and cookies. These features help you keep control over what websites can see and save while you browse. Click Privacy and Security to expand all the choices inside. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes you need to scroll down or look for a little lock icon to spot it. Now, we're going to focus on cookies. Specifically, you want to find and select the option for third-party cookies. Cookies are little files websites save on your computer to remember who you are, keep you logged in, and track preferences. Sometimes, if these get corrupted or outdated, websites like Facebook can misbehave and refuse to load. Click Third-Party Cookies to move on. Within this section, look for a link or button labeled See All Site Data and Permissions. This is like opening a filing cabinet where Chrome keeps records of each website's data, everything from cookies to stored permissions. Go ahead and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. It may take a moment for Chrome to pull up that long list, especially if you use a lot of websites. At this point, you're about to pinpoint exactly what's causing the Facebook problem. There should be a search bar at the top. Click inside and type Facebook. This will filter out all the other sites and show you only the data that Facebook has stored on your Chrome browser. It's really handy, especially if you have hundreds of sites in the list. Now, every Facebook entry will have a little trash or bin icon next to it. When you click this trash icon, you're asking Chrome to delete everything Facebook has saved locally. That means cookies, cache, and stored permissions. It's totally safe to do. Facebook will just recreate what it needs the next time you log in, but any old or corrupted info will be gone. Don't worry if you're nervous about deleting. This simply forces Facebook to reset its connection with your browser, which usually solves loading problems right away. Once you've clicked the trash icon beside every Facebook entry, you're done. Just close the Settings tab, revisit Facebook, and try reloading the page. You should notice things running more smoothly. No more endless loading wheels or blank screens. And that's it. You've just cleared Facebook's site data in Chrome, which is one of the most reliable ways to fix those annoying loading issues. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any other browser headaches or have questions about this process, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on practical tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.